Welcome to this video. So I'm gonna be taking you through everything you need to know about MetaTrader 4. Be sure to check the timestamps on the description box so that you can jump around the video to go exactly to something that you wanna learn. Comment, like and subscribe. The very first time you open MetaTrader 4, it's gonna open a demo account for you. So we don't wanna use this account. We want to link MetaTrader 4 with an account that we have with a broker. If you don't have an account with a broker at the moment, I have a link on my description box where you can open an account with IC Markets. We want to remove this account. You're gonna click the option button and click delete account and delete. At the moment there's no account, so the link in the description box is gonna lead you to this page. So you're gonna click start trading if you want to open a real account, or try a free demo if you want a demo account. After that, you're gonna fill in your details and they will send you an email like this after your account is finalized. So at this point you need to take note of the server that you are gonna be using and your password and login. So mine is IC Markets SC Demo 2. And I'm just gonna copy the login in details and then go to MetaTrader 4. And when I'm on MetaTrader 4, I click add. Then we don't want to open a new demo account. We want to log in into an existing account. And then you're gonna search for the server that was sent on the email. So mine was IC Markets SC Demo 2. So I'm gonna look for that. And here it is. I'm gonna click on it and I'm just gonna paste my account. And for the password, I'm gonna go back to the email and copy the password as well. And that's it. This app might be looking very complicated at the moment, but I'm gonna break it down for you. So firstly, we have this shortcut bar down here where you can navigate between codes, charts, trade and history, and these are the two that I don't even use. So let's start with codes. The codes page contains trading instruments. So you can see we have AUD, USD, US Tech, Gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and so on. So let's say I wanna trade GBP AUD. At the moment I can see it's not here. So to add it, I'm just gonna click this add icon right here, and then I can just search for it. GBP AUD is here, or if you know which category it falls under, you can go through the categories here. So I know GBP AUD is under Forex minus, so these are all Forex minus, and here it is. I'm just gonna click on it, and if I go back you can see it right here. So let's say you only trade Euro USD and you don't want the others, you can also delete them from your codes page. So you simply click this edit icon right here and click delete and mark all instruments that you want to delete. So I'm just gonna mark all of them and unmark Euro USD. And click delete. But you can see gold is still there. The reason why gold is still there is because gold is the one open on charts. So if I wanna remove it, I'll have to put Euro USD first on chart. So I'm just gonna click on Euro USD and say open chart, and then it shows me Euro USD chart. So I can go back again and click edit and delete gold, just like that. So I'm left with Euro USD. You can also open a trade on the quotes chart by simply clicking on the instrument and click new order, and then it brings you to this page where you have a lot of options to select before you can decide to buy or sell. So I'm just gonna, let's say I wanna buy with 0.2 lots. To do that, you can either just type it right here 0.2, or you can use this addition buttons right here. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna sell. Just decided to sell right there. So immediately after I sell, it brings me to the trade page. This is where my open trades are gonna be shown. At the moment I only have Euro USD, so that's why it's the only one right here. If I could open another one, another trade is gonna appear right there. Let me just take another pair, and then I'm just gonna buy. Yeah, so you can see we have two of them right here. So now let's say I want to put a stop loss and take profit to these trades. I go to codes and then select the pair I want and then open chart. And when I'm on the charts page, I want to click this crosshair icon right there to note the price at the certain point. So maybe since this is a buy, let's say I'm just gonna put my stop loss down here and my take profit right here. I want to put my stop loss here, so the price is 1.26825. So to put that stop loss, I simply go to trades. These are running trades, as I said. So I'm just gonna click and hold the trade that I want to modify and click modify order. Then I'm gonna put the stop loss. So it was 6825, I think. Then I modify it. If we go back to charts, we can see we have a stop loss right where I said I wanna put it. So at the same time, I wanna also put a take profit up here. So 1.280006. So I'm gonna come back and then click on the trade and click modify. Then I'm gonna simply type in the value that I want to put my take profit, just like that. The other trade was closed automatically, so I'm just gonna close this one. I'm gonna click and hold on the trade and click close order. Then I'm just gonna click close with loss, and then there it is, it's closed. So if I go to the history tab, you can see the other trade was closed in profit. That's why it has this green bar on the side. And then Euro USD, I closed it manually. So on the charts tab, to change the time frame, I simply click anywhere on the screen, and then it brings this shortcut which is M1, M5, M15, M30. This basically means M1 means 1 minute, M30 means 30 minutes, H1 means 1 hour, H4 it's 4 hours, day 1 is 1 day, 1 week, and month. So that's how you change between time frames. And if I'd like to change colors of my bars, I simply go to settings, and so I simply swipe to the right and go to settings, and then I go to colors. So on colors, you can customize everything. Like, I'm not gonna go through everything, I'm just gonna change colors of the candles. So let's say I want my bull candle to be black, which means bull candle and bar up are gonna be black, and then bar down is gonna be, I want white. Yeah, so that's how you change colors. You can see they are changed. So let's say I want to add a trend line to my charts. I simply click anywhere and go to this object bar right here and click add, and then select the type of object that I want. So I want a trend line. I'm gonna click on trend line. Then I can simply touch and drag and draw this. This is my trend line, and I can add another one. This is my other trend line. Yeah, something like that. So if I want to add an indicator to this chart, I simply click anywhere and go for this little F icon right here, and then it's gonna lead me to the indicators list. I'm just gonna take a Bollinger Band, and then I'm not gonna change anything. I just add. You can see the indicator is here. So to remove it, I also go to the little F icon and click delete. You can see Bollinger Bands there. Then I mark it and delete. So yeah, that's it.